Hey, what's going on guys, it's Ross here, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how we've made more than $300,000 in less than 2 months with CPA and pay-per-co affiliate marketing. Now, this video is not intended to sell you anything. I'm not trying to sell my courses. It's a free video, and the purpose of it is to hopefully get you inspired and show you some of my personal techniques and strategies that will help you to increase your money or start a business if you don't have one, or to improve your existing affiliate marketing business and maximize your profits. And so there are two main essential things if you want to make a lot of money with affiliate and CPA marketing. The two things are, you first need a big problem to solve, and secondly, you need a trendy offer. And if you get these two together, you're golden. But if you don't, that's also fine. You can go with one or the other. So I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. In our case, how we made these $300,000 here on my screen, I can show you. Give me a second. So you can see here on my screen that we've been using Facebook ads. So out of these $300,000, about 70% are profit and 30% they go to Facebook ads, because we've been using Facebook ads to promote these CPA pay-per-co affiliate offers. So here is what I meant by trendy offer and solving a big problem. In our case, and also I'm going to show you how you can find similar offers to promote if you want. Now, in our case, this is an old offer, of course. I'm showing you something that was back in the day. We were promoting student loan forgiveness. We know that student loan is a big hurdle for a lot of people in the US, and a lot of people would be very, very interested in a student loan forgiveness, like I said, because it's a big burden for them. Now, this is the big problem that we've solved, and now the trendiness is something that you see here, which is Obama. Back in the day was Obama's administration. They had a program called a student loan forgiveness program, and they were forgiving people their student loans if they qualified. And that was our main pivot point. And here is this is an actual Facebook ad that we've run, and as you can see, we have 44,000 likes on this ad. And we start with an urgency: breaking news. Now, breaking news, many college students are getting their loan dismissed. So all of a sudden we have something that is trendy and something that is a big pain point for people. But okay, how do we get paid for doing that type of marketing? Well, like I said in the beginning, we are using pay-per-co method or CPA. They're kind of similar. So pay-per-co means you're getting paid if someone calls a phone number and stays on the phone number for 30 seconds or 1 minute. We're getting paid $15 if someone stays on the phone call for 60 seconds. This is huge, and I'm going to show you how to find these type of offers. So our job as marketers is to drive students or drive people out of Facebook to a phone number. They have to stay on the phone number for 60 seconds and we get paid $15. How amazing that is, you think? And trust me, the call center that we were sending these leads to are very skilled professionals. They actually try to keep the person on the phone as long as they can. So we were getting huge profits by actually solving a problem, helping people, and that's how we were making money in the same time. Before I continue, let's talk about how you can do the same in today's economy. For example, today they don't have the student loan forgiveness program, but there is a website called OfferVote. This is a website where you can find many different affiliate, CPA and pay-per-co offers that are trendy right now and that they solve problems. For example, right here we can see, when you log into offervote.com, you go to categories. Here we have networks, and then we have categories. From the categories drop down, scroll down and find pay-per-co. Let me try to find it, because this is going to give you, there we go, pay-per-co. Select pay-per-co, and you're going to see only offers that will pay you money if someone calls a number. And I'm going to also show you how we've made people to call that number. So as you can see, we have Spectrum. This is, I don't know what that is. It pays $11 per call. TV, internet, it pays $16 per call. Just one call, imagine you're getting paid for someone to call a number. They don't have to buy anything. They don't have to sign up anywhere. They don't even have to leave their email or social security number or name, any of that. They have to just call a number. And think about it, like people call numbers every day, like they search on Google for certain, let's say even restaurants. They call a number to reserve a table. So here what we have roofing, $11. Home warranty pays you $28 per call, which is insane. So as you can see from this website, you can find many different offers that you can promote, or you can sign up. These are affiliate networks that provide you with everything. They provide you with marketing materials. They provide you with information about the actual offer. So your job is just to run traffic to their phone numbers, which I'm going to show you how it's done right now. But before we continue, if you like the value you see in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more information like this one. So I showed you the Facebook ad, and this is the Facebook ad. So people come to this Facebook ad, they click it, they like the student loan forgiveness, they continue to the next page, and the next page is that one. So basically we have a quiz landing page. This is a very simple landing page that says, hey, this is the student loan relief program. If you want to qualify, just fill out the quiz below. And they have some quiz here. They fill out the questionnaire. Do you have a student loan? Is your student loan more than $4,000? Community college, private school, etc. They click. It's now the system analyzing their answers. This is done purely in a page builder. And boom, they now have this message: congratulations, our system indicates that you're eligible for student loan forgiveness. And down here below, you see what they have? They have call now. They click this button, and by the way, in Facebook, you can target only mobile devices. So people would not see this page on their desktop computers like I'm showing it to you right now. People will see this landing page on their phones. So from their phones, they just click this button, and guess what? When they click it, boom, it says connecting. And of course, because I'm on my computer, I have to allow calls, as you can see here. But when you're on your phone, it prompts the phone to call the number right away immediately. Now, this looks a bit technical, but it's really not. You just really need a couple of clicks to set it up. So that's how simple it is. I know it looks very simple, but people usually try to overcomplicate a lot of stuff, and this is where they lose. You have to keep it very simple. Now, if we go back to our offer vote dashboard or website, we can start looking for different offers, and I've been researching some offers lately. So home warranty pays you $28 per call. So someone calls the phone number, just like I showed you, they call a phone number and you get paid $28, which is absolutely insane. Again, we have debt settlement, $40, all insurance for your car, etc. Now, you have to remember, I told you in the beginning, you need to solve a big pain point and find something trendy. Now, for example, I'm gonna give you another kind of example with that. Home warranty. Nowadays, in today's age, we live in uncertain times, right? There are lots of protests everywhere. People are looting houses and stores and shops. So regular people are afraid for their belongings. So what you can do is you can use home warranty. First, it's trendy because, like I said, we're in a recession, or we're in a big economic crisis in today's age, in 2022. And also, it solves a big problem. The problem is you don't want your belongings to be stolen, right? So that's a very kind of just an example. We have PP debt relief, 10K. Again, if you're more than 10K in debt, you can you can sign up for this program. But this is, we have a dentist. So dentist, I guess this is a dentist appointment from $5 to $20 a call. Again, it says pay per call. It's pretty. I mean, the possibilities are endless. As you can see here, the results, we have 1,217 offers, pay per call and CPA affiliate marketing offers to choose from. So what I've just showed you here is very powerful. It can be used not only in a PPC or a CPA marketing. You can implement that in your own business. Let's say if you're a dentist or real estate agent, you can literally set up Facebook ads with a landing page, like a quiz landing page that, let's say, asks a couple of questions. How many properties do you have? How many investments probably do you have? Do you want to increase your property value, or do you want to increase your portfolio? Call that number now, click the button, boom, and people are prompted to call a phone number. And as you can see, this model is very powerful, even though if you don't have a business. To start out with something that people don't have to pay anything, they don't have to sign up anywhere, they just have to call a phone number and you're gonna get paid. I think this is one of the best models, one of the greatest affiliate marketing or marketing models for both vendors and regular affiliates like you and I. And this is how I actually made my breakthrough. My business partner at the time, Brian Pfeiffer, and I, we've cracked the code with pay-per-call. These $300,000 that you saw right now are the first big money that I made online. And like I said, in just 2 months. Before that, I used to make some small money with ClickBank and other affiliate networks. But after I cracked the code with that kind of a big money, then I started scaling, I started creating more campaigns, I started promoting more ClickBank offers because I had the budget, because now I could spend more money on testing different affiliate offers, either on ClickBank, Digistore, and other affiliate networks and CPA networks. Really, people don't realize, but you really need to crack the code once. Once you crack it and you have the funds, you can start spending money and experimenting with different angles, different marketing tactics, and different affiliate offers. I hope I've been helpful today. And by the way, let me know in the comments below if you ever tried CPA affiliate marketing or not, or have you tried a pay-per-call marketing. I would really love to know that. That being said, until next time, cheers.